Hey, how's it going? How you doing? What's up? Gonna do a little bit more rock and roll, southern rock type song, something that everybody knows. And I should say that you can't do every part of the song on the Merlin. At least I haven't figured out how to yet. And if I haven't figured it out, I don't know if it can be. Not that I'm not that good. It's just that I have tried. But you can do 90% of it. So that's good enough for me. Sweet Home Alabama. Let's see how this works. Pretty much it. Not too bad. It's quite easy too. Just a couple parts. Let's see here. So that is your A that played up here. So it starts with the A, goes to the G, all bar chords, and then your open D. Those are your three chords that repeat over and over again. So for the intro picking, it's, everybody knows that. I always assume stuff, but I would think. So twice on your low string, and then high string, middle string. Same thing here. And just follows that rhythm. Second one I do a strum. Now the picking on the intro is two different parts. Which, interestingly enough, can actually be played here too. Like that, not like the first way. So actually sounds better on a high, but I'm still used to doing it the other way. So either way works. You can do it that way, or you can just do it here. And then for the second part, which is almost like a banjo fill they do in a song, it's just a hammer and pull-offs. And you just alternate those two. So, just take it from the top. And then when the singing comes in, I stop with that kind and I just do a strum. Now, the part that I can't find how to do on here yet, maybe you can, is that do 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 do. That sounds like crap, doesn't it? I'm coming back, hold on. Here's some homework for you guys. The part I can't do on the Merlin yet is if any of you can figure that out, which I don't think it can be done just because that run right there. It would be nice if you could figure it out, because that would add to the song and you could basically do the whole thing on the Merlin. But if not, doesn't matter. Do it the way it works, and quite honestly, most people that don't play when you're playing for people, if you mess up or if you do anything and they're not somebody that plays, they'll never hear it. It's one of those things, newbies, new people playing, everyone always thinks when you make a mistake it's the biggest thing in the world. But unless you've got an audience full of people that actually play instruments, no one hears it. And if they're drunk, it's even easier. But never worry about it. Just keep on playing. Anyway, Sweet Home Alabama. That's pretty much all there is to it. And we'll leave it there. Make it your own, have fun, and we'll see you guys next time.